Every bottle of mango juice begins with carefully harvested ripe mangoes, transported fresh from orchard to factory.
Mangoes arrive at the processing facility.
Mangoes are sorted by size and ripeness. Premium mangoes move forward.
Mangoes are thoroughly washed. Mangoes are thoroughly washed. Mangoes are sanitized for safety. Mangoes are thoroughly washed. Mangoes are sanitized for safety. Mangoes are thoroughly washed. Final quality check ensures best fruit selection.
The final quality check ensures only the best fruit selection.
Mangoes are transferred to the processing section, entering the cutting zone. Mangoes are prepared for pulp extraction. Machines and workers ready the cutting station before placing the fruit on the line. Mangoes are cut to extract pulp.
Fresh mango pulp is extracted. Pulp is stored in hygienic tanks.
Natural ingredients are mixed for taste.
Ingredients are blended evenly and smooth juice forms.
Juice is pasteurized for safety. Sterile juice continues. Juice is rapidly cooled, ready for filtering. Juice is rapidly cooled, making it ready for filtering. Impurities are removed. Pure juice achieved.
Taste is carefully balanced.
Approved flavor. The analysis confirms high purity and sweetness levels.
Exceptional. It exceeds all quality benchmarks.
Verified. It meets our standards.
The bottling process begins. Bottles are sterilized. The clean bottles proceed to the next stage of the process.
Fresh mango juice fills bottles.
Bottles are securely sealed. Sealed bottles move forward.
Bottles are branded and labeled. Bottles are packed for delivery. Final inspection ensures quality.
Products are stored safely. Ready for shipping. Goods are loaded for distribution. Products reach distribution hubs. Products prepared for retail.